Hi, forgot to charge my battery. Hopefully I will be fast enough to finish my video. No makeup, only have this on. Actually, when you squeeze it out, is white in color, but hopefully this one can catch. And it's become light pink. It does? Okay, so it's not white. I'm hoping that the camera will not pick up the noise from my neighbor. It's very annoying. He's been self-learning, self-touching a saxophone and he's like playing on the attics, his illegal attics room or rooftop room, which is illegal in Hong Kong. So it's super annoying. This is 3. In this is a set, which I haven't tried the products. Like some, I did try the what you call the, oh, they don't have it here. Good. The makeup removal oil. The camera picked up my hair, so maybe the lighting. I only tried the makeup removal oil, and one of it is the balm. This is the balm for the makeup removal. Okay, you can hear the punching. I don't know whether you can hear it. It is my partner. Oh, I can't read the small words. Okay. Anyhow, I will write it down at the bottom. This is the tryout set. Even though I have some sample, but the sample is so small that I can't really test it out. This is the gift with purchase. A good size of towel. This is the size that I will purchase for my daily use. When you see this one, this logo in the towels, it's almost like quality guarantee when you buy Japanese towel. Okay? This is a full body wash. And then, yes, this is the, I think it's the makeup remover oil and conditioner oil. I don't know what is this one, and because they're writing in full Japanese. Okay, cleansing foam, cleansing oil, conditioning SQ oil. So use this first, wash, and then condition. This is a cleansing kit. So what I purchased to receive the gift set is I have repurchased the eyeliner. I found this is the only eyeliner that can really stay under my waterline, my upper waterline. This is the only one can really will not spread out. And then the other items is a new eyeliner. But this one actually is not really suitable for me because it's not strong enough, the color. And the other items that I have purchased, wait, where's the box? Hold on. Is it better like this? No. Maybe now. The other items is the foundations. They call it powder foundation, renewing powder foundations. I already tried it on my face, and I only purchased the product itself without the case, since I'm not, I will not use it outside. And when you buy this one, it comes with a sponge. Okay. So let's use spongy. Okay, the sponge has two-sided. One is rough, the other side is silky. So I believe the rough side, and you can see the color in two shades. The darker one is the foundation itself. The lighter color is for touch-up when you go on, when you bring it out in the day, when you need to touch up your foundations, then you will use this. Okay, so I will use the rough side first. You can see the color is quite dark. I found my skin color, as long as I don't go out to fix the garden, my skin will renew faster, like the coloring. And I have no foundations on my face, as you can see, it's quite rough. And I don't have any primer on my face. That's why the foundation's not as smooth as you can see. Still have some patches color. But I would like to try the same color for, you can see it's quite dark, right? But you can see on my face it's not that dark. This is the silky side of the sponge. For heavier coverage, I found. It's very, very hot today. This couple days, like just now when I turn on my tap water, it's burning. It's a hot water. Okay, then I want to use I found I like to use, even though not touch up, you can see the color different from here. This is the touch up one. It's lighter, so I just use the lighter color for sections. And it's quite pricey actually for this amount of products. I need to do more skin care, as I'm not really spending enough time on it. It's like this. But for daily light makeup, it looks like powdery now. But as long as I go out for a while and my skin will produce some oil, then it becomes better. And Tomo Kitty already contacted me, and I will send out the lucky draw as soon as possible. Hopefully today is Wednesday. I'm hoping to send it out within this week. Okay. I don't have a post office around my area, so we'll try to speed up. Okay, so this is the eyeliner, and you can see it's quite light. You can hardly see it, especially on my puffy eyes. And you have to turn this one, click, click, click. You'll have more products coming out. They thought Hong Kong is very hot, but it turned out Japan is even hotter this summer. Like we are 30 something degree. It's so hot already. In Japan it's 40, and a lot of people say from the news is more than 10 people pass away because of the hot weather in Japan, and around 20,000 people need help from the hospital. Okay, so this is the old black one. This is the brown one that I have. They very soft. Is like they use up very quickly, just like an eraser, almost like a crayon type of texture when you apply. Since I'm wearing something like this, I tend not to overdo my eyes, otherwise it's not really appropriate. It will look like this is Asia. So I'm really liking this eyebrow color, and I got so tired with on my hair color. You need to go to the market or supermarket to get some chickens, cucumber, yesterday have done two things. Redo my plumbing. Actually, it's not really the plumbing, it's the sink, the under sink drainage, before and after. You can see before how they build it very unprofessionally and so ugly. And a lot of things like happening in the house. Beside that, those things like Edson room, like this early, like around noontime, during the noontime, his room electric has shock, I believe. The aircon ran off, and the one of the computer power is also involved. Hopefully it's not because of the things that I cannot fix. Just slightly just use a small. This is the Lunasol old products, but the color is, you can see I hardly use it. I'm going to use the orange. I think that's it for my eyes. Since I'm just going to the market, I don't want to be too much. And then some blush. This is my old Chanel. I just put them together. So, and I found like the old Chanel one, you have to use like natural fur kind of like brush. If synthetics, it seems like it's not really picking the color. Just a drawing, right? My color palette. That's it. Done. I really like this 5 drawers of Muji. They don't have it this size anymore, the small. They only have the large one, which is like not so convenient to use. And I was going to use some like lip color. That's it. People ask me about like chit-chatting about crystal. I have moonstone today. Next time. Okay, this even though it is small in sizes, but quite good quality moonstone. Yeah, next time we chat about the one of the shop that I have visited with my sister, which they have closing one of the branches in the Kowloon side, and something surprised me. Okay, talk to you later. Just want to share the experience with the 3. I like these products, especially if you're looking for, you can see my eyes, like even my bling like that, it stays very well. Of course you have to use oil or eye makeup remover to remove it, and as long as you use oil to remove, it's not hard to remove, it's removable. Okay, bye bye.